So today guys, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to install Tony. So first click your browser and search for Tony. After searching, click the first link that pop up. So as you can see here, you can download it in Windows, Mac, and Linux. So since we're using Windows, we're going to drag the Windows and click the first link. You can and place it where you want it to be. So I'm going to place it in download. So as you can see, I already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna go to my files, downloads, and click this. Just wait for it for a few minutes. Yeah. Then click next. Click next again. Click next. Click install. So you just wait again for a couple of minutes to finish it. So let's wait because it okay, now it's finished. Click finish and go to your desktop. Search for Tony. Here. As you can see, it appears, so click open. And wait for it to open. So as you can see, we have here a file. So let's show you how this works. Create a new file. It's untitled. So click file again. Click save. And you can choose where folders you want it to be saved. So I'm going to save it here in practice codes. And I'm gonna name this activity 1. Act 1. That file. Save it. Save. Yeah. So we're going to print a hello world and with our name. So print, open and close parentheses, double quotation mark, and let's print hello world. Hello world. And our name. Complete name. And let's run it. Here, let's run it. As you can see, it printed hello world Pascual Jester. And that's how you install Tony in your Windows laptop. Thank you. That's all.